Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to express opinions in English. Let's get started. Here are some useful phrases. I think, in my opinion, I believe, personally, to be honest, I agree because, I disagree because. These phrases help you share your thoughts clearly and politely. Let's look at some examples. I think reading is a great habit. In my opinion, exercise is important. Personally, I enjoy learning new languages. I believe practice helps you improve. These are natural ways to express your opinions in English. Now it's your turn. What do you think makes a good friend? Do you think learning English is important? You can pause the video if you need more time. Then comment your answers below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Every small step brings you closer to fluency. See you in the next lesson.